Meet the EVERCROSS EV12M electric motorcycle, designed to spark joy and excitement in children aged 3 to 12. This isn't just any toy. It's an experience that merges the thrill of motorcycling with the safety and practicality parents demand. Watch as kids discover newfound independence and adventure, gliding across parks and driveways, their laughter echoing with every twist of the throttle. Crafted with a keen eye for detail, the EV12M features a sturdy build capable of withstanding the rigors of energetic play. The 12-inch pneumatic tires ensure a balanced, smooth ride that handles minor bumps and uneven paths with ease. Parents will appreciate the durable construction that promises hours of continuous fun without compromising on safety or comfort. Plus, its stylish design appeals to kids who want a ride that looks just as cool as it feels. Performance matters, even for kids' rides, and the EV12M delivers. Featuring 3 adjustable speed modes: 5 miles per hour for beginners, 7.5 miles per hour for more confident riders, and a thrilling 15.5 miles per hour for older children. This electric motorcycle adapts to your child's growing skill level. It's the perfect way to encourage development and confidence in a controlled environment. With its 300W motor, the EV12M strikes the perfect balance between power and safety. Parents can relax knowing that their children are enjoying an exhilarating yet secure ride. Nothing disrupts playtime more than a drained battery, but with the EV12M, that's one less worry. Its impressive 9.3-mile range means your child can ride to their heart's content before needing a recharge. Perfect for extended play dates, park visits, or neighborhood explorations, this long-lasting battery ensures more fun and fewer interruptions, and when it's time to recharge, the process is simple and efficient, getting your little adventurer back on the road in no time. Safety is the priority with the EVERCROSS EV12M. Equipped with responsive and reliable braking systems, children can stop quickly and smoothly, preventing accidents and giving parents peace of mind. The wide, balanced tires add an extra layer of security, offering excellent traction and stability. The carefully engineered design ensures that the motorcycle handles safely at all speeds, whether on pavement or a park path, making it the ideal choice for parents looking to combine excitement with responsibility. The true test of any product is how it performs in the real world, and the EV12M has garnered praise from countless parents and kids alike. One parent shared, "We've tried other ride-on toys, but this one stands out for both quality and performance." Another delighted customer mentioned, "My son rides it every day, and it's holding up wonderfully. He loves the speed options." Reviews like these highlight not just the durability but also the joy and excitement this ride-on motorcycle brings to children. Its reliable performance ensures it becomes an instant favorite, providing value long after the initial purchase. Gone are the days of complicated assembly instructions. The EV12M is designed for simplicity right out of the box, allowing parents to set it up with minimal effort. Step-by-step instructions guide you through the process, ensuring that even first-time users can get the motorcycle up and running quickly. Once assembled, intuitive controls and a user-friendly design mean kids can start riding with minimal learning curve. The companion guide and built-in features make it easy for parents to introduce their children to a safe, enjoyable riding experience. The versatility of the EV12M goes beyond just playtime. Use it for backyard races, family outings, or as a unique way to keep your child active outdoors. Parents have found it to be an excellent alternative to screen time, encouraging kids to enjoy the outdoors and develop physical coordination skills. Whether your child dreams of adventure or simply enjoys cruising around the neighborhood, this ride on motorcycle adapts to any scenario, making each moment special and memorable. Packed with engaging features, durable design, and safety-first engineering, the EVERCROSS EV12M Kids Ride on Motorcycle is more than just a toy. It's a gateway to outdoor fun and adventure. For parents seeking a blend of excitement, safety, and lasting value, this is the perfect gift that delivers smiles and memories for years to come. Ready to make your child's playtime unforgettable? Order the EVERCROSS EV12M today and let the journey begin.